Soichiro Honda stared at what was left of his factory. It had been bombed. Then an earthquake destroyed it completely. Everything he had worked for was gone. It seemed like the end. But Honda wasn't ready to give up. Years before, he had struggled to create a piston ring to sell to Toyota. He spent all his money, even sold his wife's jewelry, and worked non-stop. When he finally presented it, Toyota said no. His design wasn't good enough. Honda could have quit, but instead, he went back to the drawing board. For 2 more years, he worked on his idea. This time, Toyota accepted it. Just as things started to look better, war broke out. Honda lost his factory. He tried to rebuild, but disaster struck again. The earthquake wiped out everything. With no factory and no money, he seemed defeated. But Honda had one more idea. When gas ran out after the war, Honda attached a motor to his bicycle. It was a small, strange-looking thing, but it worked. People noticed. They wanted one too. Honda decided to make more, but he needed money. He wrote to 18,000 bicycle shop owners asking for help. Most ignored him, but 5,000 said yes. With their help, Honda started making motorized bikes. The first ones weren't perfect. They were heavy and awkward. But Honda didn't stop improving. Soon, he created a lightweight bike called the Super Cub. It became a huge success. That little bike grew into one of the biggest car and motorcycle companies in the world. Honda's story shows how, even when it seems like everything is lost, you can find a way forward.